Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making a pineapple custard cake. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the pineapple custard cake. You will need a package of French vanilla cake mix, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. For the filling, you will need 102 grams of vanilla pudding or custard, 2 cups of cold milk, and 398 ml of pineapple tidbits. For the topping, you will need some Cool Whip or whipped cream, 398 ml of pineapple tidbits, and some crushed pistachios. And this is how your pineapple custard cake should look like. Serve it on a nice summer's day and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!